In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge two Canva projects into one. Maybe you've designed something in separate files, like a cover in one project and inner pages in another, and now you want them all together. Merging them into a single Canva project makes it much easier to organize, edit, and export everything as one file. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account if you haven't already. On your Canva homepage, locate the two projects you want to combine. It can help to rename them clearly beforehand. For example, Project A and Project B, so you know exactly which is which. Next, decide which project will be your main or destination file. This is the project that will eventually contain all the pages from the other one. Open that main project by clicking on it. Give it a moment to load completely so that all the pages and elements are visible in the editor. Now, instead of switching back and forth between tabs, we're going to bring the second project into this one. To do that, open a new browser tab or window and go back to your Canva homepage. From there, open the second project that you want to merge into the main one. You should now have both projects open in separate tabs. In the second project, look at the Page Thumbnails panel, usually on the left side of the screen. This shows all the pages in that design. If you only need to merge a few pages, you can select them one by one. If you want everything, select all the pages in that project. On many devices, you can click the first page, then hold Shift and click the last page to highlight them all. Once your pages are selected, copy them. You can usually do this with a right-click and selecting copy, or by using your usual copy keyboard shortcut. When the pages are copied, switch back to the tab where your main project is open. In your main project, click in the page panel where you want these pages to appear. If you want them at the end, click the last page thumbnail. Now paste the pages you just copied. Canva will add all of those pages into your main project in the order they appeared originally. Take a moment to scroll through and make sure everything has transferred correctly. You can drag and drop pages to rearrange them, and quickly check that fonts, colors, and images look consistent between both sets of pages. When you're happy with the merged project, rename it to something clear so you'll recognize it later. Then click Save, or simply let Canva autosave. Now you have one combined project that's ready to share, download, or keep editing.